Hey guys, welcome to LJ Woodworks. So here you're seeing a piece of Osage Orange. Found this on the Air Force Base after some storms came through. Cut it up, got it mounted on the lathe. And this is because my wife comes up to me the other day, says I've been watching YouTube, and I'm like, oh great. That means I either need to buy something, build something, make something, or move something. Turns out I needed to make something. She asked for a garden dibber. I didn't even think that was a real thing. Had to look it up on Amazon. But sure enough, it's a real thing, and they want $20 a pop for them. Little piece of wood with some measurement lines used for planting seeds. A garden dibber. Like, alright, I'll make it for you. So here we go. We're going to use the spindle rough and gouge, get it round. It's going to take a few, as this was half a branch. Alright, we are just about round, so just a few more passes with the spindle rough and gouge and we'll be there. Looks like we finally made it to round, so it's time to start putting our shape on. Looking at the ones on Amazon, the max depth line seems to be about 4 inches, so that's what we're going to set up for here. Set this diameter, I went and found one of the wife's hand tools or garden tools out in the shed and just measured it, and I'm matching it right now. Now here I'm just making some space to get ready to bring the skew in to quickly pare this down. And it looks like we found us a little bug trail. Now we're getting out the spindle gouge, start rounding over these edges and putting the shape on the handle. Now it's time we bring out the Skew. Nice thing about the Skew is it can really cut down on your sanding time. And I hate sanding. Alright, here we're just setting the edge. It's going to separate the main part of the tool from the handle and putting in a nice little bead decoration. Right now we're measuring out to put the 1-inch lines on it. We'll get out the carbide tool to put those in. Now if you watch any of my previous videos, you would have seen where we made this. Now it's time to get smoky. Now the only reason I'm including this is because other people have told me I should include it so you know that I actually do sand my projects. Otherwise I would not have you watching me sanding. For the finish I'm spraying here, it is Zinsser shellac. And just a couple vanity shots for you here so you can see how it's looking. Now we're just going to get those nubs cleaned up with sandpaper here. I ended up sealing this with some CA glue. At this point in the video, if you're still here, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing, and maybe we'll see you in the next one. Thanks much.